Well, I spent the last 2 days assembling this thing, getting the pistons hopefully in the right place, the pillars in the right place, checking out all those interrelating measurements, drills, hundreds of screw holes and what have you, and it seems to fit together. In fact, I can turn it by hand. Pistons are in, and there's virtually no impedance to that, which is really quite nice. It's quite lovely. Even the flywheel goes round without wobbling. I'll get the eccentrics in there tomorrow, and we might even get it to work soon. Well chuffed. You can just hear the faint hum of the air conditioner, or perhaps you can't, but it's lovely in here right now.